This is the 3D VIEW-MASTER cartoon favorite, The Flintstones by Hanna Barbera. VIEW-MASTER Reel 1. Picture 1. We want to capture this scientist. Picture 2. Spies follow the Flintstones and Rubbles. Picture 3. Oh, the great Gazoo appears. Picture 4. The great Gazoo levitates Fred. Picture 5. Gazoo, get me down now. Picture 6. Get out of here, Gazoo, and never come back. Picture 7. Fred and Barney are stopped for baby dinosaurs. VIEW-MASTER Reel 2. Picture 1. The spies aim a camera at Barney. Picture 2. Is that a rock photo? Picture 3. Barney looks a lot like the famous scientist. Picture 4. The spies are waiting for their chance. Picture 5. And here it is. Watch out, Fred and Barney. Picture 6. Our heroes are captured and put in prison. Picture 7. Give me the formula or it's the Horosaurus. VIEW-MASTER Reel 3. Picture 1. The Horosaurus charges. Picture 2. Magic. The great Gazoo to the rescue. Picture 3. A roaring Horosaurus becomes a baby. Picture 4. And a roaring spy becomes a baby. Picture 5. The spy hideout is a nursery. Picture 6. Gazoo, you're all right. Picture 7. Wilma and Peggy like having the boys home again. We want to add new videos every day, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you had fun, thumbs up.